Welcome to AdCare, your online health and wellness product store. Nylozen cough syrup helps relieve coughs, spasmolytic symptoms of bronchitis and catarrhs of the upper respiratory tract. Thyme is used orally in the treatment of coughs. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory effects make this plant an ally for your health. Expectorant. The Nylozen formula activates the bronchi and promotes the expulsion of secretions. The benefits of the syrup: promotes the general functioning of the respiratory tract, fast-acting formula, expectorant, anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic and antimicrobial double-action effect. All-natural expectorant formula based on concentrated extract of dry thyme leaves. Helps relieve coughs, spasmolytic symptoms of bronchitis and catarrhs of the upper respiratory tract. How to use. Adults take 5 milliliters, 1 teaspoon, twice a day. Shake the bottle well before use. Consult a healthcare practitioner prior to use if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Consult a healthcare practitioner if symptoms persist. Buy online at adcare.ca with a great buy 2 get 1 free offer. We are proudly supporting the Canadian Mental Health Association in sales through AdCare. We will give 2% to CMHA.
Please subscribe our channel for future new products update.